Today I am reviewing the Caraway Non-Stick Ceramic Cookware Set, 12-piece pots. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen with a complete cookware solution that's both functional and safe, the Caraway 12-piece Non-Stick Ceramic Cookware Set is an impressive choice. This set includes a 10.5-inch frying pan, a 3-quart saucepan with lid, a 4.5-quart sauté pan with lid, and a 6.5-quart Dutch oven with lid, giving you all the essential tools for everyday cooking. To make kitchen organization easier, Caraway also includes 4 magnetic pan racks and a canvas lid holder, so your pots and pans stay neat, accessible, and ready to use. One of the standout features of this set is its naturally non-stick ceramic coating. Unlike traditional non-stick cookware that relies on harmful chemicals, Caraway's ceramic surface allows food to release smoothly, whether you're frying eggs, searing chicken, or cooking delicate vegetables. This means you can cook with minimal oil, making your meals healthier while also reducing cleanup time. Wiping the pans clean is simple, and there's no need for harsh scrubbing, which is especially convenient for busy home cooks. The versatility of this cookware set is another big selling point. Each piece is compatible with all stovetops, including induction, gas, and electric ranges. You can also transfer your food straight from stovetop to oven, as the set is oven-safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it ideal for recipes that require searing first and finishing in the oven, like a perfectly roasted chicken or a baked pasta dish. Health and safety are central to Caraway's design philosophy. This cookware is free from PFAS, PFOA, PFAS, lead, and cadmium, ensuring you're cooking with non-toxic materials. It's perfect for anyone who is conscious about the chemicals in their kitchen or wants to reduce potential health risks from traditional non-stick cookware. The smooth ceramic surface not only promotes healthier cooking, but also prevents sticking, which makes flipping, stirring, and serving a much easier experience. Finally, the aesthetic and storage design of this set makes it ideal for modern kitchens. The cookware comes in a sleek cream color with a minimalist design that looks great on any stovetop or open shelving. The magnetic pan racks and lid holder keep your kitchen organized and stylish, eliminating clutter while keeping your tools within easy reach. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced home cook, this set combines function, safety, and beauty in one package. Overall, the Caraway 12-piece non-stick ceramic cookware set is more than just cookware. It's a kitchen upgrade. From its toxic-free ceramic surface and versatile stovetop-to-oven functionality to its sleek modern design and smart storage solutions, it has everything you need to cook healthier, easier, and in style. If you want a complete, safe, and beautiful cookware set for your home, Caraway is an excellent choice.